Hey guys, what's up? It's Rue. Literally, I'm so excited and nervous because I haven't done this in 8 months. I'm sorry, there will be more on that in another video. Inshallah, that will be coming out in 2 or 3 days. So keep on a lookout for that video. I'm not going to spoil anything about it. So yeah, oh my god, okay. So a while ago, actually, I didn't get to editing this video until a couple days ago, but I made a crescent and star plushie for Ramadan, and I just wanted to show you guys how I made it. Yeah, so let's get into it. All you'll be needing is some fabric, scissors, thread, a tape, a needle, and a piece of paper if you want to use a stencil, and some stuffing. The crescent, start by tracing a circle onto a piece of fabric. Then add another circle on the side of it and cut it out. It's kind of hard to explain, but here it is. I now have 2 pieces of the crescent, and now I'm just going to sew it together on the edges. After that, I'm going to flip it inside out and leave a little gap. And here it is. And now I'm just stuffing it with some fluff. Sorry for the weird angle, but after that, I just sewed up the edges with a regular running stitch. And I'm sorry for the weird view. I don't know why it's acting like that. But anyways, after that, I just drew on a face with some colored pencils. And then I repeated the same thing with a star. Thanks so much for watching. And okay, if you stayed subscribed this whole 8 months, I am very shocked, because if I were you, I would probably unsubscribe the minute that person stopped posting 2 months later. That was kind of weird, but yeah. So thank you. And if you liked this video, I guess give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more content. Inshallah, that will be coming out soon. And Ramadan Kareem if you're watching this during Ramadan. See you guys next time. Stay safe. Bye.